Hello everybody and happy Sunday! Welcome back to my channel and back to my video. I am off to do some vice president stuff for my sorority. It was one of our sister's birthday last week, so I'm going to grab a little sweet treat for her. Hope you guys had a great week. I spent my whole Saturday applying to jobs. Literally, since the moment I woke up to the moment I went to bed, I was doing job applications. Real world, real life. Hopefully I hear back from someone, but if not, oh well, I'll just be unemployed. So I'm gonna go catch the bus right now, and I will talk to you guys in a little bit. Where do all these cute boys keep coming from?
The elevator.
There's a cute guy in the elevator, and I asked him which floor so I could press the button and also know what floor he's on. But I don't know what unit, and that's all I said to him, other than have a nice day.
So the plan is we go up to the 4th floor and we try and open all the doors and just suppose that he comes out and he's like, oh my god, I'm so sorry, I got up on the wrong floor.
Can you help me get down to the 3rd floor? A+ plan, guys.
Oh wait, what?
Say hi.
Hi! How you doing?
It's snowing again. Why every time I go outside is it snowing?
You happy I'm home?
Yes. So I had class and then I had a meeting. Now I'm home. I have to go ahead and beautify myself and make myself look presentable because tonight is our first rush event of winter 2018. Woohoo! We also have an event called Greek Life 101, which is where people who are interested in Greek life can come out and hear more about all the Greek organizations on campus. Basically, right after Greek Life 101 is our first event, and I'm so excited. We have our recruitment shirts, got my PJs ready because tonight's theme is slumber with SLG, so it's going to be a great night, and I will obviously take you guys along with me. I'm so sorry for the terrible quality right now, but I had to switch over to my phone because someone won't get out of my lap. My camera is over there, same with my coffee, but I am not allowed to go anywhere. She is so happy. I was literally about to do my hair, got the straightener ready to go, and she's like, nah girl, it's time to cuddle. She finally got off my lap! Woo! I just had to show how Delilah has chosen to fall asleep on my bed. Wrapped in my PJ, and her butt is falling off the bed. Yeah, you heard me? Good morning. Oh no, sorry, good night. Hey guys, welcome to Greek Life 101. We have an issue here. It's crazy. It's very loud, I'm sorry. We're trying to figure out what to write on this beautiful Pinteresty banner, and we have all the SLG girls here trying to figure it out. Welcome to Greek Life 101 at Uwaterloo. EST, SLG, 2000, and put this back in 4. Yeah! But I feel like the EST is just gonna look a little like, no it's not, everybody know it's EST. It says on the brochure. Put a period, don't know. Okay guys, we'll come back in about an hour and let you know what we actually ended up doing.
So March 30th, 2004 is when we were founded. Within our organization, our 2 major philanthropies are Canadian Breast Cancer Foundation and Diabetes Canada.
Hey guys, so Greek Life 101 is now over and I am on site for where our first rush event is. My sorority sisters just went upstairs to grab the stuff to start setting up. I'm just like watching over like all of our stuff over here. You know, important jobs. I just need to change from my rush shirt, go into my PJs. This is gonna be a great night. Got my cat ears on and I'm ready to slumber. I'm still all alone, but that's okay. This is our recruitment setup. Guys, show off your cool PJs and onesies, yeah! Rabbit onesie. We got the balloons, fringe on the door. We got Michelle out here doing signage. Hello guys. It's time for recruitment, everybody. Hello everyone and happy Tuesday. You're greeted by a Delilah butt. Thanks so much, Delilah. are you doing? Okay, that's enough butt action right now, thanks. Okay, girl, chill. Chill. I guess this box is hers now. She's been home alone for like 3 hours and this is what she becomes. You're gonna fall off the table. Hey, BRB. Hey guys, and happy Wednesday! I am here in this classroom with beautiful lighting, A++ Waterloo. I'm actually in the QNC building, and today we are having our beginning of term first general meeting for Her Campus Waterloo. Jane helps me set up. We got stickers and cards on the table. We've got the snack table ready to go. Well, almost ready to go. Amon, our other co-president, she's bringing some more goodies for us. And then we have some good freebies to hand out at the end of the meeting. I'm also a part of a sorority called Sigma Lambda Gamma. That's really about me. I have a YouTube channel, that's why she's recording.
So I read all their articles before coming and I was like, how do I prepare for my first year? And then I saw the booth on Clubs and I was like, oh my god, it's magical.
We're ready for recruitment day 2. We've got snacks ready to go. We got the table all ready to go. We got the people ready to go. Robin's got the music ready to go.
Ready to go?
We're ready to go. 1, 2, 3, SLG!
That's the best group. So we have a beautiful, yeah, it's a distressed dress. There's a asymmetrical situation going on here. We have some twisty things over here. We have a twisty thing over here. We have a flower on the twisted thing. A matching flower on the corsage. Nope. And we have a beautiful crown with the matching flower. It's called
The Damsel in Distress.
Hey everyone, and happy Thursday. It is now day 3 of recruitment and we are ready to go. I'm gonna show you guys real quick what our setup looks like for today. It is our semi-formal and we're wearing our dresses. We are in our colors, black and pink. Snack table, because who doesn't love a good snack? And then today we are having cupcakes and champagne. It's really just sparkling water. They look so good and we're gonna decorate them and it's gonna be so great. First, 1, 2, 3, SLG! Hey guys, recruitment day 3 is now over and done with. Woo! We did it! We did it! We did it! Now we're all tired and just chilling and talking with cupcakes. The leftover cupcakes, because y'all know we want the goods. Yeah, that's it. I'm gonna go home and sleep because I'm so tired. Hey everyone, and happy Friday! I just went to Walmart and did some grocery shopping and I thought I'd show you guys what I buy. I mean, I love watching grocery hauls. So for those of you who don't know, I am vegetarian and when I'm like living on my own or like in my own apartment, I try to be as vegan as possible. It doesn't always work because I really like cheese. So I mean, some things that I buy like has cheese in it, but I don't like buy cheese on its own. I don't buy milk, I don't buy eggs. The veggies, I got cauliflower, broccoli, cucumber, yellow pepper, lemon, raspberries, bean sprouts, and then the sweet kale thing. This is like 50% off and this thing is usually very expensive, so I bought that. And then moving on to other stuff, I bought chow mein, I bought some sauces. So there's teriyaki and then there's this orange ginger that I really wanted to try because can you tell I'm gonna make some stir fry? I bought a new pasta sauce. This is spinach and cheese. Like I said, not vegan, I just try plum sauce because that's the best. Some Michelinas. Michelinas is like either you get a meat one or you get a dairy one. That's basically it. Favorite thing of this whole grocery haul are these veggie nuggets and they're actually vegan and they are so good and so addicting. They taste like real nuggets but so much better. I got some Ancient Grains quinoa bread, some soap for the kitchen, thing for the fridge, and of course you gotta treat yourself. I got myself a bag of chips. So that is my grocery haul. Hope you guys enjoyed. Nika is coming up today, this weekend. Woo, you guys are gonna be reunited with her. Today is bid day for my sorority, but because my friend is coming up, I'm not participating in bid day, so I'm so sorry that you're not gonna get any footage from that, but I can't film that regardless because it's like a secret ritual kind of thing. Sorry about that, but recruitment, we have one more event next week. Recruitment this week has gone really well. I hope you guys enjoy that footage, and let's just see what this weekend brings. Get up.
No.
Okay, bye.
No!
What the hell? Where did you go?
She's here.
Go in the LCBO.
Damn right we are. I mean, it's like tradition every time we're together.
This time we're going the right way
Yeah.
from the get-go.
Thank
we're
goodness.
not even drunk.
We are plain sober, unfortunately.
For now.
It's the new 50 Shades movie right here. Obsession, wine.
Become infatuated, a bit smitten if you will, with our seductive aromatic obsession symphony.
Damn. Hey guys, and happy Saturday. I was just editing this vlog and I realized that I just kind of stopped filming. It didn't end the vlog, so I'm ending it here. Sorry it's really late. Today I was doing schoolwork and then I was editing the vlog. Nika has obviously left. I am all alone and it's very sad, but I will see her again soon. If you enjoyed this vlog, please give it a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe to my channel below so you can stay tuned and watch all the weekly vlogs that I upload. I hope you guys have a great week and I will see you next Sunday for another weekly vlog.